Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brenda, and for today's video, I am going to share with you how I made this scrunchies, and I am really happy how it turned out because it's so cute, and I might just wear it as a head accessory rather than a hair tie because it's just so cute. This fabric has been laying around the house, and I was thinking of turning it into a bralette, but it's a little stiff and I thought it wouldn't be comfortable to wear it as a bralette, so I just turned it into a scrunchie, but not actually like the regular scrunchies, but something a little bigger, fluffier. So what I did is I exaggerated the measurements. The process of making it was actually easy. I just saw the sides with a running stitch, flip it, then inserted the garter, then stitched together both ends, and I was done. Here I use a knitting wire to insert the garter because I find it way easier. I ended up making two big scrunchies, but there are still good amount of fabric left, so I made another scrunchie. The process were the same, it's just that this one's slimmer. I don't know if that's a right word, but yeah, it's just the same. These are the scrunchies I've made, and I am thinking of opening an online shop where I am going to sell these things and other stuffs I'd be creating in the future. But I'm not yet that confident. Please let me know on the comment box if it is a good idea. So yeah. By the way, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!